the Hong Kong economy slowed further to just 1.8% year-on-year growth in real terms in the second quarter of 2014 from 2.6% in the first quarter, marking the slowest growth since the third quarter of 2012. The weak performance was mainly due to a fall-off in tourist spending and a slowdown in domestic demand. Services exports fell 2.3% year-on-year, the first decline since the second quarter of 2009. The setback in travel services exports was the main drag. After 2 quarters of subdued economic growth, private consumption grew just 1.2% in the second quarter. The residential property market firmed up again, with trading activity rebounding in the second quarter and prices bouncing back. Residential property prices rose 3% in the second quarter. Total goods exports staged a modest pickup in the second quarter, rising 2.3% year-on-year, up from 0.5% in the preceding quarter. Headline consumer price inflation slowed to 3.6% in the second quarter from 4.2% in the first. The forecast rates of headline and underlying consumer price inflation for 2014 at 4.6% and 3.7% in the May round were revised downward to 4.4% and 3.5%. The GDP growth forecast for 2014 as a whole has been revised downward from 3 to 4% to 2 to 3%.
As always, we stay vigilant to the looming uncertainties in the external environment, in particular the risks brought about by the Fed's tapering and monetary policy normalization, as well as the play-out of geopolitical developments in the various parts of the world, for the potential impact in undermining global economic recovery and instilling greater financial market volatilities.